Hello students, welcome to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In my previous presentation, I gave you all an idea about the two concepts of management and administration. Now, here we'll be discussing in detail on what basis the two terms, that is administration and management, are different from one another. As you can see from this chart, there are some different bases on which both administration and management are distinguished. On the basis of policymaking and implementation, administration is concerned with policymaking and its determination of goals, targets, and objectives, while in case of management is concerned with the implementation of plans and policies. On the basis of direction of human efforts, administration is not actively concerned with the direction of human efforts in the execution of plan and policies, while in case of management is mainly concerned with direction of human efforts in the execution of plan or policy. The main function of administration is planning, organizing functions, whereas in case of management, motivating and control functions are most important. Regarding managerial level, administration relates to the apex or top level of management personnel who are the board of directors and who are complete charge of the particular organization. And in case of management, it relates to the middle and lower level of management who works collectively and advises the top management under certain circumstances. In regard to the nature of organization, it is seen that in case of administration, it is used in relation to government, military, education, and religious organization, while management used mainly on the basis of business firms which have economic motives. Basis of distinction being status, the administration consists of owners of an enterprise, while management consists of managerial personnel with specialized knowledge who may be the employees. In regard to influence, its decisions are generally influenced by external factors such as political, legal, or social. And in case of management, its decisions are influenced by internal factors such as management and employee relationship, production, capacity, efficiency, and employee. The difference between administrative and technicability. In case of administration, needs administrative and other technical ability, while management requires technical ability more than administrative ability. In case of coordination and control, we see that in case of administration, coordinates finance, production, and distribution. It frames the organization structure and exercises control over enterprise. While in case of management, organizes factors of production for the achievement of target fixed by the administration. And lastly, in case of illustration or use, administration, the following are designed as administrator or collector like commissioner, registrar, vice chancellor, who are considered as administrators of the organization, and like managers, branch heads, personnel managers, marketing managers, human resource managers of a particular company or organizations are considered as the managers or management level people who work collectively for fulfillment of the organizational objectives. So these are some of the bases on which the management and administration can be distinguished. Thank you very much.